white girls that are hoeing. You only saw what was possible. But if you're lucky, you'll realize that maybe it isn't about precisely what you say, what you do, how you act, how much you can bench. If a girl likes you, she likes you. And if she doesn't,
See, love, big facts, big facts. If she like you, she like you. If she don't like you, fuck her. Move on to the next one. It's not that deep, brother. It never been that deep. And also, when she like you, right? You make sure so you get on that. You see, you get on that. Do what you have to do. If it means so you get in a relationship if you want, get in a relationship what you want. If you want to have sex with her, you make it known. You say what you want. You see, if she don't want it, and she not roll the program, kick her to the curb, get her out of here.
like you, she doesn't like you. And that all you need to do is to be normal and cool, and you'll have everything you ever wanted. From learning to be yourself without any asterisk or gesture maxing or bench press.